Very quick question, okay? Second day of snow. Snow has piled. In fact, you can just estimate from what you see, um, how many feet this is. You know, how many, how many feet do you think this is?
2 feet.
2 feet? You know, between 2 and 3, something like that, or probably about 2 feet. Well, my question is, how is my car gonna get out of this thing? Don't forget, it has to roll through these 2 feet or 2.5 feet. And look at the mound. When they were like kind of clearing the snow this morning, they kind of raised it up, to up to like 4 feet, from the clearing that they did around, on the road. Second question, this other car is more of a sedan. Is it gonna swim out? Otherwise, it will have to be a fun day of digging. Wow. Okay.